Hello students, now in this video we'll see standard 10th maths 2 7th lesson mensuration. इसमें first we'll see the formula to find length of an arc. In the previous video we have solved some examples on area of sector. We have studied the formula to find area of sector, and after that some examples from 7.3 practice set. We solved some examples on area of sector. Now the formula to find length of an arc. If r is the radius of the circle and theta is the measure of central angle, then length of the arc, which is denoted by small l, is given by theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula. This is the formula to find length of the arc. You just remember this formula. Length of arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. Now after that, the relation between length of an arc and area of the sector. If r is the radius of the circle, capital A, that is the area of the sector, and small l, that is the length of the arc, then we have this relation between area of sector and length of the arc as A is equal to r upon 2 into L. Here three variables are there: area of sector, radius of the circle, and length of the arc. Out of these three variables, if any two values are given, any two values, either A or L, then we can find value for r. Any two values are given, then third value we can easily calculate from this formula. Okay. Now to understand this, we'll see some examples from practice set 7.3. This is the part 2 of this practice set 7.3. In part 1 we have solved some examples on area of sector. Now in part 2 we'll solve some examples on length of the arc. Okay. Now here first example is that measure of an arc of a circle is 80 degree. Measure of an arc is given. Measure of an arc is equal to measure of the central angle. We know very well. So here theta is equal to 80 degree. It is given, and its radius means r is equal to 18 centimeter. Radius is given, and we have to find the length of the arc. Okay. Value for pi we have to take as 3.14. Okay. Now we use that formula. Length of the arc. Length of arc denoted by L is equal to, formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. Value for theta, it is 80 divided by 360 into 2 into 3.14 into r. R is 18. Okay. So these zeros are get cancelled. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, right? This two ones are get cancelled. What is left? Only 8 into 3.14. Take this multiplication. So 8 fours are 32. 3 carry. 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. 1 carry 1. 8 threes are 24 plus 1 25. Now after decimal there are two digits from right hand side. Left two digit and put the decimal point. So answer is 25.12 centimeter square, because this is the area. Okay. Centimeter, not centimeter square, it is length of arc. So we put length as centimeter only, and therefore the length of the arc, therefore the required length of the arc is 25.12 centimeter. Okay. So in this way we have to use this formula to find length of the arc. Now come to next example. Now next example is radius of a sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter. Radius is given, that is r is equal to, it is 3.5 centimeter. This is value given, and length of its arc, that is L is equal to 2.2 centimeter is given. Length of the arc. Find the area of the sector. That means we have to find A. Area we have to find. Okay. So we have this formula. A is equal to, that is area of sector is equal to r upon 2 into L. Okay. That is equal to r upon 2, that is 3.5 upon 2 into L, that is 2.2. Just simplify here. 2 ones are 2. Here 2 ones are 2. Decimal point as it is. Again 2 ones are 2. That is equal to 3.5 into 1.1 is equal to here 35 ones are, you consider 3.5 as a 35 and 1.1 as a 11. So 35 ones are 35, 3 carry, 35 ones are 35 plus 3, it is 38. Now here first number after decimal there is 1 digit, in second number again after decimal there is 1 digit, so total number of digits after decimal is 2. So from right hand side left 2 digit and put the decimal point. So answer is 3.85. This is the area of the sector and therefore unit of that area is centimeter square, and therefore the required area of the sector is 3.85 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Now come to next one. Example, area of sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter is 30 centimeter square. Area of sector, that means A is equal to 30 centimeter square. This is given, and radius is given, R is equal to 15 centimeter, right? Area of sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. So R is equal to 15 centimeter and area of sector is equal to 30 centimeter square. From this unit also you can recognize whether this is the value for area of sector or not. Okay, so centimeter square is there, that means area is there, and we have to find the length of the arc of the sector, that means here we have to find L. Okay, we have formula A is equal to R upon 2 into L. Area of sector, that is 30, is equal to radius is 15 upon 2 into L. Okay, so 30, this 2 get multiply here and this 15 get divide here, is equal to L. 15 ones are 15 twos are, and therefore L is equal to 2 twos are 4 centimeter, and therefore the length of the arc, of the circle is 4 centimeter. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Any doubt in this? No? Very good. Now come to next example. In figure, radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. Radius is given, that is R is equal to, it is 3.4 centimeter it is given, and perimeter is given, perimeter of sector. This value is given, perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Now what is perimeter? Now here perimeter of this sector P dash A B C, perimeter of this sector is nothing but the sum of the length of both the radii PA and PC, that is PA plus PC plus length of this arc, that gives the perimeter of this sector. Perimeter का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे ट्रायंगल का perimeter हम लोग फाइंड करते हैं. So triangle का perimeter is nothing but the sum of length of all the 3 sides of the triangle. Triangle के तीनों sides की जो addition रहेगी, that is called the perimeter. अगर rectangle है, so rectangle का perimeter means rectangle के 4 sides रहते हैं, तो चारों sides की length की addition, that is called the perimeter of that rectangle. Now here perimeter of sector is given. Okay, now since perimeter of sector is equal to perimeter of sector P dash A B C is equal to, it is PA, or you can write it as radius R plus R2 radii plus length of arc PBC or ABC, length of arc ABC. Now perimeter is given, that is 12.8 is equal to, radius is given as a 3.4 plus length of arc ABC, so you'll get 12.8 is equal to 3.4 plus 3.4, it will be 6.8 plus length of arc ABC. ठीक है, and therefore this 12.8, this plus 6.8 on left hand side, it comes minus 6.8 is equal to length of arc ABC. Now from here 0.8 get cancelled, 0.0 is left there, and 12 minus 6, that is 6.0 is equal to length of arc ABC. Okay, and therefore length of arc ABC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find area. Okay, So A is equal to, formula is there, A is equal to R upon 2 into L, because radius is given and length of arc we just calculate. We have to find that length of that sector is equal to, it is 3.4 upon 2 into length of sector is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. After decimal there is one digit, from right hand side left one digit and put the decimal point. So you will get A is equal to 10.2 centimeter square, and therefore area of P dash ABC is equal to 10.2 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Now next example is like this. In figure, area of P dash ABC, this area of sector is given 154 centimeter square. Area of sector is given as 154 centimeter square, and radius of the circle is given 14 centimeter. So first we write the given things. Area of this sector P dash ABC is equal to 154 centimeter square, and radius of the circle is given R is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, first we have to find angle APC. Angle APC, that means we have to find measure of the central angle. That means we have to find the value for theta. Theta we have to find. So we use that formula, area of sector is equal to, so area P dash ABC is equal to, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, and that theta we have to calculate. That is the measure of central angle. Now area of sector is given as 154 is equal to theta we have to find upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 14 square. So okay, this 360 into 7 both are in denominator. On left hand side it get multiply here in numerator. So 360 into 7 and 22 into 14 square both are in numerator. On left hand side it comes in the denominator, that is 22 into 14 into 14 is equal to theta. Okay, so 11 2s are 22, right? 11 1s are 11, 4 left, 11 4s are 44, then 14 1s are, this 14 1s are get cancelled, then 2 1s are 2, 7 1s are 7, 2s are 14, then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, 0s are 0, then 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 0s are 0, and therefore theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and therefore angle APC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the value for first. This is the answer for first. Now for second we have to find length of the arc. Length of the arc. So we have formula, A is equal to R upon 2 into L. Area is given, which is 154, is equal to R, which is given as a 14 upon 2 into L. So 2 1s are 2 7s are, so you will get 154 divided by this 7 get divided here is equal to L. 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 1 left, 7 2s are 14, and therefore L is equal to 22 centimeter, and therefore length of arc ABC is equal to 22 centimeter. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से क्या करना था अपने को, मेंसुरेशन इस लेसन का जो प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.3 में लेंथ ऑफ आर्क के जो एग्जांपल्स थे, है ना, उसमें के एग्जांपल्स मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे शो किया हो तुमको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. उसमें के कुछ बचे हुए एग्जांपल्स है एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर और लेंथ ऑफ आर्क के, है ना. तो ये बाकी के एग्जांपल जो है वो क्या करेंगे, आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. उसका मेथड मैंने सब तुमको यहाँ पर क्लियर कर दिया हूँ. अगर इसमें से भी कुछ डाउट है आपको तो आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे कमेंट कर सकते. ठीक है, मैं फिर रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप लोगों से कि आप लोग जो है ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये चैनल की लिंक को जो है वो क्या करें, शेयर करें, वीडियोस को लाइक करें. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपको तो आप लोग मुझसे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, उसका आंसर मैं दूंगा आप लोगों को. ठीक है, और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि इसके जो भी वीडियोस के जो अपडेट्स होंगे वो अपडेट्स जो है वो आपको मिलते रहे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.